Boy, the winds were nothing to mess with today. Several trees were uprooted on School Road in Sabattis. If you see any damage, safely take a picture and be sure to upload it to the Near Me section of our app so we can feature it on air and online. And as a result, a lot of people without power.
Yeah. Must have been some strong wind gusts right there.
Yeah, could have been a microburst. So the microburst basically just comes down and fans out. So they'll survey it. They have to look at how the trees fell and whatnot. But the other thing I noticed is a lot of uprooted trees with the ground's wet enough after some of the rain we got, which is a big key in Maine power outages. If you recall some of our fall storms, kind of the same thing.
Yep.
All right, so in and out though, these things are moving through very, very quickly. And the backside's actually been pretty nice and sunny. So here's what we've got left. They cancel all the severe warnings on them, but I would imagine that there's still some gusts to be had here towards Ellsworth. Bangor on the back end of the rain, they're going to clear out quickly. Greenbush seeing those showers and storms as well. And then to the north, they're just a little bit less organized. But Patton is right in the middle of a storm right now. Again, I don't think these are severe, but there could be a couple of gusty wind patches in there. Temperatures are all over the place now because of these storms that have gone through. So rain cooled in the 60s and even 50s, areas that have seen the storms and those that haven't. And then areas that saw the storms and it's already warming back up. So we're all over the place, 60s to 70s. How about we put it that way? These showers and storms settle down overnight tonight or really in the next few hours. And temperatures drop into the 50s, 40s possible in the mountains briefly early tomorrow morning. Tomorrow's a really nice day. I'd say it's in the ballpark of Saturday, which was a big crowd pleaser. Maybe a few more clouds when compared to Saturday, but probably just being nitpicky here. I think it's going to be a really, really pleasant day. 70 to 75 should do it. Mountains will stay in the 60s most likely, but in a crisp, fallish kind of way. Overnight, it's clear and cool tomorrow night, and then we start the day on Wednesday with sun, but clouds come in about the middle of the day over central and western Maine, waiting till the afternoon over down east and northern Maine. Showers, vast majority of us will stay dry until after sunset, but there'll be a few sprinkles before that over Oxford County specifically. And here comes this front. This front on Wednesday night, Thursday is not very big and not very strong, but it's really slow moving. And so that is a detriment to us because the front kind of stalls over us on Thursday and gives us a day of showers, off and on probably, but cloudy largely and showers on Thursday. So it kind of makes, what's the saying, a mountain out of a molehill. It's a little front, but look how it just sits here on Thursday and even into early Friday morning. So it's very inconvenient for our purposes. We get it out of here Friday through the late morning, and we're in good shape Friday afternoon. Then Saturday looks really nice, and most of Sunday should be good as well. So we do recover in time for the weekend. Very quickly, here's Maine, here's Larry. Larry is a good-looking hurricane. Good thing it's way out there. Models are taking it east of Bermuda, so I think the window is closed on any surprises for us as far as where this storm could go. It's atypical for a storm in that position to impact the United States, but you always got to keep an eye on things happen sometimes. Weekend looks good. The showers, they probably look worse than they are. I mean, it's Wednesday night, Thursday showery, and then we're cleared out Friday by late morning. So it's a good stretch of weather. And again, the weekend looking promising at this point. Perhaps some warmth mid next week. I'm not ready to commit to it, but some models have us in the mid 80s, which would be a little taste for everyone. Yeah.
We'll see how it goes.
Yeah.
Thanks,
How
Steve.
about that?